Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor, and for the second month in a row I have a Pinalen product. This is Pinalen Floral Delight with Scent Boost. It deep cleans, it's tough on grease, deodorizes the surface, 30-hour long-lasting scent. Now there is a gas station on my route that uses this product, and the gas station always smells really nice and fresh inside. And here's a look at some of the data on the bottle. For a general floor cleaning, which I'm going to be doing, it calls for 1/4 cup per gallon, but as you all know, everything I use for just the light cleaning on this floor is 1/8 cup, and it's plenty strong enough to do what needs to be done, which is to simply remove some surface dirt from the tile floor. Well, let's go on over to the cloud cam. I don't think we're going to get clouds, but you never know. Over at the cloud cam, my measuring cup, 1/8 cup, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to state it. It's all the same. And I'm greeted just taking the cap off the bottle with the nice strong floral clean scent. That's a thick product. It doesn't cloud, but it turns the water pink. Smells great. Let's head on over to the floor cam and get started with the mopping. As usual, I'll go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out between first and second round. Here we go. Got my water extra hot today. And there's round one looking pretty good. Go ahead and rinse. It does have a bit of a perfumey scent, which is not my favorite, but when it mellows out, it smells pretty fresh. So let's go for round two. And that looks to have done a dandy job. And there's a look at the water after. Picked up a bit of dirt. That's definitely a product I would keep on hand for an alternate. Once again, Pinalen Floral Delight Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Thank you for watching.